See, I got box 5, 9, 1, 10, 3, 8, 7, and 2. So I gotta roll to see which box we're gonna open, and then I'll go over the list of the teams. It's 3. Can you guys see that? My camera's always going in and out of focus. Alright, cool. So, we do got box 3 left. It's box 3 there. Alright, this is gonna take a second. There's a lot of packs in here. Alright, so for the Prestige, we got Philip C. with the Niners, Dustin H. Bears, Charles F. Bengals, Jake N. Bills, Nick S. Broncos, Jeff C. Browns, Anthony O. Buccaneers, Cardinals unclaimed, David S. with the Chargers and Chiefs, Jeff G. Colts, Ed R. Cowboys, Dolphins were unclaimed, and then we got Brandon D. with the Eagles, Falcons unclaimed, Michael D. with the Giants, Jake N. with the Jaguars, Jets unclaimed, Jake N. with the Lions, Charles F. with the Packers, Johnny S. with the Panthers, Generation Sports had the Patriots, Chris S. had the Raiders, Rams unclaimed, Brandon D. with the Ravens, Redskins, Saints, and Seahawks unclaimed, Alshanon R. with the Steelers, David S. with the Texans, and then Titans unclaimed, and then Charles F. with the Vikings. I'll just go through it real quick so you guys, in case you missed your name. Alright, there's that. Let me move this camera for you guys real quick. Never wants to stay straight. Alright, good luck everybody who's got teams in on this one. Hopefully we get another big hit like that 1-1. Alright, we got the box topper and a whole bunch of packs. Gonna be a lot of base in here. Alright. Use that. Let's get this camera better, man. Alright. The box topper. Put this up more. There you go. Alright. So I guess I'll start off with the big guy here. The box topper. These remember, I think that would have been cool if they had autographed these or not. Looks like the Jaguars. Nope, I was wrong. It's the Eagles. Oh. There it is. Jordan Matthews. Box stopper, Eagles. That was Brandon. Set that up there for right now. So, well, I guess I'll set it right there. Box topper was the Eagles. Get this started. First pack here. Alright. We got Montez Perfect base card for the Bengals. We got Kendall Wright base card for the Titans. We got a Michael Vick base card for the Jets. Next up, we got the acetate insert of Andre Ellington, top of the class. The C2 card, that's pretty cool for the Cardinals. Then we got a base rookie card, Mike Evans for the Bucks. We got a Navarro Bowman base for the Niners, excuse me. We got a Alshon Jeffrey base and a Malcolm Smith base card. So no real hits in that pack. Let's get this going. Alright, we got base of EJ Manuel. We got Eric Decker base. We got a Dwayne Bowe base. This could be a hit or an insert. It's a rookie insert here of Khalil Mack for the Raiders. Road to the NFL insert. Then we got an Anthony Barr rookie. Base rookie for the Vikings. And then we got a couple more base cards here. We got the Honey Badger base, Matt Stafford base, and Mike Glennon base. So no hits in that one either. This is Prestige. 2014 Prestige. Alright. We got Andy Dalton, base. This base file is going to get big quick over here. Let's scoot these over so you guys can see them. So Ace Sanders base. Jeremy Curley base. We got the acetate of Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. And we got a Scott Crichton rookie card for Vikings. And then we got a Michael Crabtree base, Jordy Nelson base, and a Levante David base. Still no hits yet, really. A lot of packs to go, though. That's for sure. Hopefully we get a big hit in here. Like that Alvin Smith base on the back. Got Demaryius Thomas base card. We got a Brian Hartline base card. We got a Welker base card. This might be a hit here finally. Nope. We got an insert here. Draft day standouts of Richard Sherman, draft class of 2011. And this one, there is, what does it say that? Pretty sure there's 4 autographs in here. The box don't say. I'm pretty sure there's 4 autographs and a jersey card in here, I think. We got a Teddy Bridgewater base card. Base rookie, excuse me, for the Vikings. And we got a Mike Williams Buccaneers base card. Victor Cruz base and Alden Smith base. So far, just inserts and rookie cards. No hits yet. Hopefully the hits are big. It's like Reggie Bush on the back base card. I'll just pull that out of the way. It's Reggie Bush base card. Matt Schaub base card for the Raiders. We got an upside down Emmanuel Sanders base card. CJ Spiller base card. This might be a hit here. Oh, I think it goes this way. Dante Moncrief, rookie insert for the Colts. Big board insert. And we got the Black Mamba. We got DeAnthony Thomas, base rookie for the Chiefs. And we got our two base cards. We got Forte and Russell Wilson base. No hits yet. Pretty sure, I think this might be the jersey card. This pack feels pretty fat. Alright, we got Vincent Brown, base card. We got, oh, there we go. He wrote the box details in there. We got a Steve Smith base card. Maurice Jones-Drew base card. I'm pretty sure, I think this is the, yeah, it is. That's the, let's go like this then. There you go. This is the hit here out of the pack. So let's go ahead and pull this up here for you guys. So, Khalil Mack. It's not numbered, but it looks like it's a gold one. I don't know if they're all gold or not, but it's a nice two-color patch for the Raiders. That's Chris S. had the Raiders. That's a pretty nice Khalil Mack. And I guess the rest were pretty much base cards. We had Mojo base. Oh, no. We got a prestigious picks, Eric Ebron, rookie insert. LaMarcus Joyner, rookie base. Kyle Rudolph base. Pierre Garçon base. And a Patrick Peterson base. So that was the first actual hit for us. Out of the Prestige went to Chris S. and the Raiders with Khalil Mack. Nice little two-color patch. Slide these over. We'll set the base cards like right there. So first hit was Raiders, Chris S. Congratulations. We get this going here for you guys. Alright, we got Julian Edelman base card. We got a Marvin Jones base card. Got Denarius Moore, base card. Oh, well, we got an insert here. It's Ben Roethlisberger acetate insert there. And then we got Chris Smith rookie. Brandon Pettigrew base, Harry Douglas base, and Alfred Morris base. Yep, hit number 1 was Khalil Mack. So there should be like 4 autographs left. So hopefully we pull some cool shit. Alright. Ben Tate. Fantasy tip for you guys. He just got cut today. Rookie. I mean, not a rookie, base card. Heath Miller, base. Garrett Graham, base. Look like we got hit after him. So I'll pull this guy up here for you guys. It is Jadavian Clowney. See if it's a hit or just one of those tricky insert cards. No, just the insert. I hate that. Always getting hopes up. Rookie insert, a Clowney. C.J. Mosley, base rookie there. Chris Durham, base. Terrence Williams, base. And Carson Palmer, base. So no hits in that pack. Alright. Let's go. Got Charles, base card. Oh, I could, a blunt? That'd be nice. We got Delaney Walker, base card. We got AJ Green, base card, and I think the next one might be a hit. Let's see what we got. It is AJ McCarron for the Bengals. That's a rookie quarterback. It is just an extra points insert, so no hit there. It's an insert rookie. Then we got a Paul Richardson base. And then we got a Clay Matthews base card. Jeremy Maclin base card. And a Marshawn Lynch Beast Mode base card. Alright. 4 autos to go. Plenty of packs. Let's see what we got. Oh man, let's see. Yeah, this break is full. It's like half over. We got Robert Woods base card. Keyshawn Martin base card. Ben Roethlisberger base card. It's going to be another draft day, I think. Yeah, I've seen that. Draft class of 2013 standout. Andre Ellington insert. I'll go over there. Zach Martin rookie for the Cowboys. Then we got a Sean Lee base card, a Julius Peppers base card, and an upside down Fitzgerald base card. No hits in that one either. No autos yet. Alright. We got Ray Rice, the wife beater, base card. Tom Brady base card. Jake Locker base cards. Might be another hit for us here. Come on, big hit, big hit, big hit, big hit, big hit, big hit. Oh, it's a car. It's probably going to be another insert though, man. I don't hate these. Yep, sure is. Damn it, man. That's why I don't like Prestige for that. This is a rookie insert. Allen Robinson, he's a rookie for the Jags. He's out for the year, though. We got Megatron base, D-Jax base, and a Jericho Cotry base. Man, I thought that car was going to be a hit, man. That would have been nice. But then that would have been 2 hits for the Raiders. That would have been really fair. Sometimes life ain't fair, though. Alright, we got Paul Peluzny base card here. Jaguars. Robert Mathis base card, Colts. Ryan Tannehill base card. I think we got a hit. We got a hit. Should be a hit. Goes to the Rams. There's probably Trey Mason insert. Oh, man. It's the gay guy, Michael Sam. Insert. For the Rams. Marquise Lee. It's my boy right there. He's going to be good. Jaguars. Rookie. We got our 3 base cards. We got Vernon, LaShawn McCoy, and Jimmy Graham. It's all face. Oh man, I got a feeling we got a hit in this pack. This pack feels like it's got a hit in it. Let's see what we got. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Big hit, big hit. We need a big hit. We ain't got no hits so far. Well, we got the Mac. D-Hop. Base card of D-Hop. We got a Brandon Flowers base card. We got a Le'Veon Bell base card. Oh, could this be a hit? Nope. Another damn rookie insert. Derek Carr. Goes over there to rookie card. Connor Shaw base rookie card. We got our 3 base cards. Kenny Britt, Jason Witten, Jermaine Kearse. Alright, man, it's taking a while to get to these autographs, eh? It's killing me. Alright. Justin Houston, Chiefs. Julius Thomas. Jordan Cameron. Oh, maybe we got our first hit. Well, second. Mike Evans. Nope. I can see it already. It's the prestigious picks. Nope. Looks like he's stuck to Ebron. Yep. Our draft picks insert of Mike Evans. Rookie insert. We got an Ebron base rookie card. Ellington base, DeMarco Murray base, and Sue base. Still no autos, man. This is crazy. I've never seen it take this long. It's like almost taking all the packs to get to the good stuff, man. Looks like we got one of those fake cards in here. Mercedes Lewis base. Torrey Smith base. Rob Gronkowski base. Yep, one of those blank cards. And this card's backwards for some reason. Oh, it's numbered. That's pretty cool. 22 out of 25, Doug Martin. Extra points. That would go to the Bucks. Anthony O had the Bucks, so he'd get that. Some cool insert. Doug Martin. Then we got, I'll just leave these up here. We got Lewis Nix III, rookie. Julio Jones base. Tavon Austin base. And a Luke Kuechly base. Alright, here we go again. Another pack. Come on with the hit. Alright, got Justin Hunter base. Darrell Revis base. Oh, might have a hit here. So I go this way. So Blake Bortles for the Jags. Is it a hit or is it just lots of hit? Autograph Blake Bortles. It's not numbered though. There's Blake Bortles for the Jaguars. Jake N had the Jaguars. Congratulations, Jake N. Some pretty nice Bortles. It's not numbered though. And then we got Allen Robinson, another Jaguar. Prestigious picks insert. Kyle Fuller rookie. So those will go there. We got a Ginn Jr. base, Mark Ingram base, and a Rashad Jennings base. Yep, the booms are coming. We got one. It's not numbered, so it ain't too big of a boom, but it's something to start it off. Nice little Blake Bortles. So far we got hits going to the Jags and the Raiders. And that's, who was it? It was Chris S. and Jake N. with the two hits so far. We got base, Scott Chandler, base. We got a Andre Holmes base. We got a Andre Johnson base. This is one of the autos. Nope. Kadeem Carey insert for the Bears, rookie insert. Looks like we got a Brandon Cooks rookie. And then base Kaepernick, Olsen, and Ryan Matthews. Base cards. There's only 2 autos left. No, we got 3 autographs left. 3 hits still. We probably got something big in here, man. This can't be it. We got Key Nix base card. Barcavius Mingo base card. Oh, might have a hit here. Bradley Roby, cornerback for the Broncos. Let's see if we got an autograph here. Yep, we do. Looks like he inscribed it number 1 or number 2, but I don't think he can wear that number. It's a non-numbered auto for the Broncos. Nick S. had the Broncos. Congratulations, Nick S. Set that there for a second. And we got a Marquise Lee. Probably an insert here. Yeah, prestigious picks insert. We got a Clinton Dix base rookie. And then the 3 base cards, Peterson, Dez Bryant, and Vincent Jackson. Alright, that in the case here. So we got, oh, try to get this over here. Couple more autographs left. Hopefully one of them's numbered. We haven't had any numbered hits yet. Just the Doug Martin. I just insert parallel card. No numbered hits really. We got Mike Wallace. We got a Lance Moore base. Oh, why did I put that there? What was there? We got Lance Moore base. DeMarcus Ware base. And then, oh, look like we got the Chris Johnson acetate insert. We got the Calvin Pryor base rookie. Sam Bradford base card. Kenny Steele Saints. And Matt Castle Vikings. So we should have 2 more autographs in here. That's what it says. 4 autographs or memorabilia card. Oh no, just 1 autograph left. I was wrong. Hopefully it's numbered, man. I don't like that none of these hits were numbered. That's not that cool. No Sean Moreno. We got Danny Trevathan. We got the Luck. Oh, looks like we got another. This might be the last hit here. It's Calvin Pryor, rookie safety for the Jets. Nope. It's the parallel, extra points parallel rookie. And we got Ryan Grant, base rookie. We got the 3 base cards, Tim Jennings, David Wilson, and Earl Thomas. Yeah, just 1 auto left. Hopefully it's numbered. None of these hits have been numbered yet. We got Chris Johnson base card. T-Rich base card. Oh, looks like we gotta do a damn randomizer here now for these 250 reward points. And then we got Jordan Mathis. I think that's gonna take up that auto. So I think there's gonna be no hits left now. That was probably the last hit. Prestigious picks insert. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's going to be the last hit is that card. Prestigious picks insert. Rookie. A.J. McCarron rookie. And then the base, we got Zach Stacy, Drew Brees, and the muscle hamster Doug Martin. And then we got 3 packs left. I don't think there's going to be another auto in here. The points, I'm going to have to randomize it off to the teams or whatever. But the points are, what you do is you scan this code right here. Yeah, see, yeah. So this right here, you scan that or you type in the code on the back, and then you can get the points to redeem stuff online. Like you go onto the Panini websites, and the 250 points, you could get a choice of a card that you want. It's kind of like a redemption, like the old redemption cards. Cameron Wake base card. Eric Berry, base card. Vic Ballard, base card. Vincent Jackson, the captain's patch acetate card for the Bucks. Trent Murphy, base rookie. Jonathan Stewart, base. Darren Sproles, base. And Eddie Lacy, base card. 2 packs left. Like this one got a fake card in it. Yep, this one's got one of those spacer card things. Whatever you want to call it. Sheldon Richardson, Jets base. We got Alex Smith, Chiefs base. We got a Marlon Brown base for the Ravens. It's one of those cards. Pretty cool little Elway insert here. It's the number ones. It's not numbered or nothing, but it's a pretty cool little card. Yeah, it's not numbered. Broncos. We got a Sammy Watkins rookie base card. We got a Frank Gore base, Steven Jackson base, and the Robert Griffin III base. Yeah, I think it's gonna be. It feels like it's another one of those damn white cards in here, and I think it is, man. Hate those things. Yep, you can see it already. Monty Ball base card. That was all the hits. T.Y. Hilton base card. Kiko Alonso base card. Yeah, all of that. Just the blank card. Pretty good. We got a big board insert of Brandon Cooks for the Saints. And we got Austin Seferian Jenkins, ASJ, for the Bucks, rookie. We got Nick Foles base, Mr. Broken Clavicle. Aaron Rodgers base, and a Chad Greenway base. So that seals that up for the hits. I'll go back through those real quick, and then I'll get the randomizer ready. Put the base over here. Set those right there. These right here. These are the inserts. Come here. On the inserts. These are the rookies. And then the hits were this, which I got a random off. Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. It'll be quicker if I just do that. I got that. I got random that off. This Broncos card went to Nick S. It's a non-numbered rookie auto. Blake Bortles. It's the best hit of the box, not of the night though. Was non-numbered rookie auto. Went to Jake N. And then we have the Khalil Mack, which went to the Raiders, and that was Chris S. So congratulations on those. And then let me get this little randomizer set up for you guys real quick. Paste.
It's a great big world, and it can all be yours, here and only.
Oh, yeah, that was the ad came on. Is it echoing now? Alright, cool. Hopefully it's not all messed up. So I put all the teams in the randomizer. I'll show you guys that real quick. Let me pull that up for you guys. Here, and then here, and then, so, let me see. Can you guys see this? Yeah, okay, I see it now. Alright, so there's all the teams. Vikings all the way up to the Niners. So then now I gotta, I'm gonna roll the dice to see how many times I'm gonna hit the randomizer. Let's see if I can't get this to focus a little better. Come on, camera. Alright, that looks a little better. So I'm gonna roll to see how many times I'm gonna do the randomizer. 9. You guys can see that. It's 9. Alright, so there's the randomizer. I'm gonna go ahead and do it 9 times. So there's 1. There's 2. See, it says it down here, keep count. There's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. And the last one. Good luck, everybody. So I'm going to give it to the top team, who goes to the Jaguars. That was 9 times. Yeah, 9 times. So that's to, that goes to Jake N and the Jaguars. Alright, whoops. Well, that does it for tonight.